This is my honest review of Chase Mobile after actually using it. I've tried a lot of banking apps before, and honestly, most of them feel fine at first, but then you start noticing small things that make them annoying to use. That's why Chase Mobile surprised me, because it actually fits into everyday life instead of making simple things feel complicated. What I like most is how practical it is. If I just want to check my balance, send money, or see recent transactions, it takes seconds. I don't need to dig through menus or deal with unnecessary steps. You open the app, and everything important is right there. The app is also very simple to use. The layout is clear, the buttons make sense, and nothing feels confusing. Even if you're not someone who's great with tech, you can figure it out easily without needing help. Design-wise, it feels clean and professional. It doesn't try to look flashy or over-designed. It feels like a serious app made for daily use, and that actually builds trust, especially for a banking app. Another thing I like is consistency. Everything works the way you expect it to. Transfers, payments, alerts. It all feels reliable, which is really important when you're dealing with money. It's also flexible. Whether I'm quickly checking something or doing a full transfer, it adapts to how much time I have. Overall, Chase Mobile just makes sense. It does what a banking app should do, and it does it well without stress. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more honest app reviews. See you in the next one.